Hi, I'm Day Wilson from FODMAP Every Day, and I'm going to show you how I make wood-fired Neapolitan-style pizza in an Ooni Pro oven. We've got the hardwood going, the deck is heating up. First, we're going to pat out our dough. This dough is specifically formulated to work with a high heat oven. We have other recipes for other applications, of course. But notice how easy this is to pat out. We've got a lightly floured surface. You use your hands and you want to preserve that rim so we get some nice puffing, raising action there. Once it hits the oven, you can gently stretch it using your hands. Keep the surface lightly floured so that the dough doesn't stick, but you can see that it's very easy to work. We're going for about a 10-inch pizza. Now we've got to check the temperature of the deck. This is an infrared thermometer, and you can see that the deck has hit 945 degrees Fahrenheit, which is exactly what we want. So a little flour on our wooden peel. The dough comes right onto the peel. You need the wooden peel to help launch into that super hot oven. Put on a little pizza sauce. We've got that recipe too, of course. And because this is going to be a classic margherita pizza, we're going to use fresh mozzarella, which is easy to just tear into pieces with your hands and scatter it about. Don't go too heavy with the toppings. And then fresh basil. We're going to put the fresh basil on before. You could put it on after as well, but this is what we're going to do. A little drizzle of olive oil, and you can see that the pizza is going to slip right off that peel and go right into the oven. Here it goes. It's hitting that 945 degree deck. So I'm picking up my turning peel, which is a specialized piece of equipment that I feel is necessary when you're working with such a high heat oven. You're going to go in there and start turning that pizza around about every 10 seconds. Certainly don't walk away. You need to monitor the pizza while it's cooking in your high heat oven. The pizza is going to cook in 60 to 90 seconds. So you're not going to be standing there for long. Just take in that gorgeous view of that live fire. Turn the pizza as needed. And then look at that. About 90 seconds later or even less, and we have our low FODMAP, wood-fired, Neapolitan-style pizza. Now hopefully your friends and family are at the table waiting. It only takes 60 to 90 seconds to make a pizza, so you can just do them one after the other. A nice sharp pizza cutter and a wooden board. Cut that baby into wedges, and we're ready to take a bite. This recipe and several other pizza recipes are available at FODMAPeveryday.com. Thank you so much for joining me. We think you will love this wood-fired Neapolitan-style pizza made in the Ooni Pro.